Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's about the 8th or 9th of October today. So, yep, just nipped out here. It's a Saturday. Just to have a look out, see how this grass seed's getting on. As you can see here, it's starting to come up really well. I'm not over sowing it, because if you sow too much, you just end up rotting. You're just wasting seed. But yeah, it's coming up really well. I know I've got a few dandelion, but I will dig them up and uproot them once this bit of seed has really got going well. You see, I just chucked a little bit here, and that's doing well. And this bit was a lot drier down the bottom. This is starting to fill out nicely now. So I will let these, when I mow the lawn, I shall cut it nice round it, and just leave it to grow. When it gets to probably 2.5–3 inches tall, I shall give it its first cut, and I shall get the rest of the lawn raked. Because I don't know if you can see this here. Just move this out of the way. This is where I did one of my borders over, and I chucked all the weeds and everything on here, and they've all just rooted into the lawn. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to give this a good rake, see what's there, then sow the rest of the grass seed, and that should come out really nice. And once all the grass seed is up and running, I shall then think about putting some feed and weed on, something like that. So yeah, it's been 3 weeks. It's looking really well now. Always amazes me how it goes from being just bare soil to, as soon as they take off, get to about 1 inch tall, and that's it. They take off like rockets. But yeah, the rest of the garden, it's quite warm. It's probably 18 degrees here today. Things shouldn't be flowering that are still flowering. I mean, I've got the cosmos, beautiful dahlia there, dahlias here. Absolutely madness what's still flowering. Yep, in my hanging baskets, these have been, I'm trying to leave these to dry out because I want to finish them off and take them inside those. So yep, everything's still looking amazing. I've got my pensimons that will grow from seed this year. They're looking really well. Yeah, my poppy seeds there, really nice. All down my climbers, and all that's looking really nice. So yeah, doing really well this year. This Verbena is looking really nice. Do like that. It goes through. I think these were grown from seed. Echinaceas. Some more dahlia seeds there. Yeah, everything's looking really well for this time of year. If you have any questions on anything in my garden, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.